Thank you. Every day we get so many comments on this channel saying thank you for the educational videos which we have created. Today it's my turn. Let me thank each and every one who have supported me on this journey. Let me start with my family. They have supported me from start, when I was a developer, then I moved to corporate training and then being a YouTuber. It was not easy for me, but they were there in every phase. Next, my team. I'm the face of Telusko, but then we have a small team here who help me with different aspects, maybe editing the videos, helping with the content creation and promoting the videos on different platforms. Next, the most important part, subscribers. Last year we were having a subscriber count of almost 1 lakh, but now we have subscriber count of almost 3.6 lakh subscribers. Now that's a good growth, right? So thank you everyone for helping me, supporting me by sharing my videos on different platforms. In fact, the most important part is your comments. Every time you give comments on my videos, it does motivate me. Especially, when I get up in the morning, we need motivation to work on these videos, right? Working as a corporate trainer, then also making the videos, it takes extra efforts. And for that, we need motivation. Your comments have been that motivation for me. Yes, there were days when I used to get more negative comments, but then what I do, so since I'm more responsible for making good videos now, I do check your previous day videos because they have some positive comments there. So thank you for commenting on all the videos and motivating me to make more videos. Next important set of people are my supporters. Now, being a free platform on YouTube, I'm trying to make as much as content available for you for free. That to quality content, working on different technologies. And trust me, it is not easy to put everything for free, and that's where recently I asked for donations. In fact, from Feb, we are open for donations, and we got good amount of support. It doesn't matter how much amount they have donated. Maybe it starts from 10 rupees to thousands of rupees. What's important is we got a good support. Every time you donate a small amount, it motivates me to make more videos, because you're not just helping us, you're also helping people who are learning from YouTube, because the moment you donate, I can try to make more videos as possible. Because I shifted my career from being a corporate trainer to YouTuber. Now I'm trying to be a full-time YouTuber. That's why, so I'm avoiding all my extra work there, which consumes my time. I'm trying to make sure I spend most of my time for you people on YouTube. So thank you so much for all the supporters, maybe the supporters on InstaMojo, maybe the YouTube supporters, when you join the channel, maybe by supporting using PayPal or different platforms. So thank you so much everyone for helping me and helping the Telusko platform grow. This year we started with something different. Normally what happens, when you are in college or when you join a company, you don't understand how industry works. So I tried to publish as much content as possible which talks about how industry works. But then I thought, instead of talking me on everything, why don't I can take some industry experts? So I tried that. So we had 5 to 6 sessions on industry expert. So they were talking about their experience and their expertise. It was helpful for most of the people. So I would like to thank those people as well who have helped me by coming on this platform. Last but not the least, the contributors. So on this channel, we don't just have my videos, we have videos from other people as well, maybe on different technology which I'm not familiar with. We have videos on SQL, JavaScript, testing, and then REST API. So thanks to these people who have taken out their time and pushing the videos on this platform. So it was helpful for most of the subscribers. So thank you all my contributors. Maybe in future we'll be doing some more collaborations. So that's it everyone. That's the thanking note from my side. I'm so sorry if I missed anyone. I'm very thankful to each and everyone for helping me to reach at this point. So thank you once again. Bye-bye.